Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Unacademy. I hope all of you are doing fine. In this video, we shall have a look at the different types of majority in the Indian Parliament. So, my name is Manoj Kumar. I'm a civil engineering graduate. I've cleared SSC CPO, ESIC UDC, LIC ADO. Going forward, there is an offer running in Unacademy, that is, you will get 20% off on all subscription, and that is valid only till today. You can use my code MJ10 and you will get 10% off on your subscriptions. So in iconic features, you will have priority in doubt solving, and this will be in the Unacademy app via Ask a Doubt feature, and also we will have priority in live classes. This will be live class via Raise a Hand feature. What is Ask a Doubt by Unacademy? You go to the Doubts and Solutions feature on your home screen. You click on Ask a Doubt and upload your doubt image, crop the image and highlight the question, choose the subject that the question falls under. And here you can have a look at the test series. There are a few test series which are for free and a few paid tests as well. You can attempt all these tests live and recorded now. Going forward, raise a hand feature by Unacademy. What is raise a hand feature by Unacademy? In the middle of a live class, you get to raise your hand. You can raise your hand and talk to your favorite educator in the middle of a live class. Online is much better than offline, and this is applicable only for plus subscribers. Only plus subscribers get to do this. Going forward, about SSC subscription, for 2 years it is 7,800, for 1 year it is 6,500, and for 6 months it is 5,400. You can use my code MJ10 and you will get 10% off on your subscription. Going forward, report and win feature. This is an opportunity for all learners to report any inappropriate content in the video. If you are the first one to report any inappropriate content in the video, you get to win amazing prizes. So the form is in the description box below. You can use the form and report any inappropriate content. All set, let's crack it. So types of majority. What are the types of majority? First type of majority we see is absolute majority. Absolute majority. Then there is effective majority. Effective majority. Then there is simple majority. Simple majority. Then there is special majority. These are the 4 different types of majority. Now let me deal with them one by one. Okay. Let me deal with them one by one. So the first type of majority, that is absolute majority. What is absolute majority? Absolute majority refers to absolute strength of the house. So absolute strength, it refers to complete strength of the house. Absolute strength of the house. Absolute strength of the house. So what is absolute strength of the house? Let us assume the number of members in Lok Sabha is 545. So 50% of the absolute strength of the house is going to be around 272.5, that is 273. So 273 is the absolute majority required for a bill to be passed if the bill requires absolute majority. Different bills require different kinds of majority. So do tell me in the comment box what kind of bills require absolute majority. That is the first kind. Then after absolute majority, the second kind of majority we see is effective majority. Effective majority. Effective majority. So what is effective majority? In effective majority, it is going to be 50% strength of the house. Strength of the house. Sir, even absolute majority is 50% strength of 50% absolute strength. Here it is 50% strength of the house. Sir, what's the difference, sir? Let us say there are 545 MPs or 545 seats. Out of this 45 seats, they might be vacant. Vacancy might be because of absenteeism or resignation or death. So the strength is going to be 500, correct? So 50% of 500 is going to be 250 plus 1, that is going to be 251. So effective majority that is required is 251 in this case. So this is an exceptional case. It's not the same numbers. I'm just giving you example. So I hope you understood what is effective majority. And the next kind of majority that we see is simple majority. Simple majority. So I will tell you what is simple majority. Just give me a moment. Okay. simple majority. Simple majority. So what is simple majority? Simple majority is nothing but 50% present, 50% present and voting, 50% strength of the house present and voting. Sir, what's the difference, sir? Let us assume there are 545 members again, out of which 45 are absent. These 45, they might be absent because of death or resignation or removal. I've told you, okay? And there are another 100, they're abstaining from voting. That is, they do not want to vote. They abstain from voting. That is, they do not want to vote. Abstain from voting. That is, they do not want to vote. So what is going to be in 545? 45 subtract, it's going to be 500. Out of that, even 100 you subtract. So it's going to be 400. Out of this 400, what is 50%? It is going to be 200 plus 1. So 201 is the simple majority that is required. So I hope you understood simple majority. So let me make it clear. I have cleared absolute majority, effective majority, and simple majority. Now let us have a look at the special majority. Let us have a look at special majority. In special majority, there are four types. The first type is wherein under article special majority under article 249. Special majority under article 249. Okay, then there is special majority under article 368. Then there is special majority under article 368 plus 50% state ratification by simple majority. Then the fourth type of majority is special majority as per article 61. So now let us take one special majority and look into it. So first let me have a look at special majority under article 249. So special majority under article 249, this says two-third members present and voting. For example, let us say the strength of Rajya Sabha is 245. This is not going to be the same. If only 150 of them, they are present and voting, that is, there might be absenteeism. Also, some of them, they might say, I will abstain from voting. So let us assume only 150 are voting. Out of this 150, two-third is going to be 100. 100 plus 1 is required. So in this case, in this particular case, 101 is the special majority that is required. So let me clear everything. Okay. This is the first type. And the second type of majority that we saw is simple majority under Article 368, correct? Simple majority under Article 368. So what is simple majority under Article 368? It is two-third present and voting. Okay, let me write it. Two-third present and voting plus supported by 50%. Supported by 50% total strength of the house. 50% total strength of house. So in this case, let us say two-third present and voting plus 50% strength of the house. So supported by 50% strength of the house, the strength of Rajya Sabha, let us assume it is 245. 50% of 245 is 123, 122.5. So we cannot take half. So 123. This is the number of votes required. Two-third, obviously you can make it. but you also need to make 50% the total strength of the house. This is simple majority. Okay, it should be supported by 50% total strength of the house. This is simple majority under Article 368. And the next type of majority that we see is this simple majority under Article 368. Is this simple majority under article, this should be capital A. Always remember to use capital A in article here, under Article 368 plus 50% ratification by states. Ratification by states using simple majority. Using simple majority. So what do they mean here? We have already seen simple majority under Article 368 in the previous one. After this, there should also be 50% ratification of the states. So there are 28 states. So this requires at least 15 states. 15 states should pass the bill in the state legislative assembly, and these states should pass it by a simple majority. That is simple majority under Article 368. Okay. So I hope simple majority is clear. And the next type of majority is special majority. Special majority as per article 3 as per article 61, sorry, as per article 61. Here special majority under article 61, this requires 2/3 members of the total strength of the house. Total strength of the house. So 2/3 members of total strength of the house. What does this mean? So let us assume the strength of Lok Sabha is 545. Okay. Strength of Lok Sabha is 545. So 2/3 of 545 is going to be approximately 364. So this is the strength required in Lok Sabha. In the case of Rajya Sabha, let us assume the strength is 245 and 2/3 of 245 is approximately going to be 164. This is the strength required in Rajya Sabha. So do tell me, where do you use absolute majority? In which cases do you use absolute majority? Effective majority? Effective majority? In which case do you use simple majority? Simple majority. And in which case do we use special majority? Special majority under Article 249, under Article 368, and under Article 368 by 50 plus 50% ratification by state plus 50% ratification by states, and also under Article 61. So do tell me this in the comment box below. I hope this video was informative. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will catch up once again in another video. Until the next video, bye, tata, take care, see you.